Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're switching gears from skincare and cosmetics to a crucial piece of beauty equipment that's designed to enhance the experience of both professionals and clients: the white, fully electric spa bed tattoo chair facial table. This electric, 3-motor adjustable facial table offers versatility with features like adjustable height, backrest, and footrest. Whether you're in a spa, beauty studio, or tattoo parlor, this could be a game changer for both service providers and their clients. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. This facial table is equipped with 3 electric motors that allow you to adjust its height, backrest, and footrest independently. The height can be adjusted between 20.9 to 27.6 inches, which is perfect for customizing the bed to suit various tasks. The backrest can go up to 75 degrees, and the footrest can drop down to 50 degrees, offering the flexibility to transform this facial bed into a tattoo chair or a comfortable reclining position for clients. The ease of adjustment is controlled via a remote, making it a hands-free solution for any busy professional. When it comes to ergonomics, this bed is designed with comfort in mind. The wide backrest and adjustable angles ensure that it conforms to the body's natural curve, alleviating pressure on the spine, neck, and waist. The headrest pillow is both detachable and has a breathing hole, making it a good fit for clients receiving facial treatments or even tattoos. The removable armrests are an added bonus, offering unrestricted access during procedures like microblading or eyelash extensions. On the craftsmanship front, this electric facial bed is built to last. The durable PU leather surface is wear-resistant, water-resistant, and oil-resistant, meaning it's easy to clean after each use. The foam cushioning is high density for added comfort, and the double-edged stitching ensures long-term durability. A detachable storage pocket provides convenient access to your tools during treatments, which is a nice touch for anyone working with a lot of products or equipment. The solid construction of this bed is another standout feature. With a heavy-duty steel frame and 3 powerful motors that can support up to 440 pounds, this bed can handle even the most demanding tasks. The anti-slip foot pads ensure that the bed remains stable, even during more intense sessions. However, it's important to note that, like any equipment, it's recommended not to sit directly on the backrest or footrest. During my hands-on experience with the bed, I found that it was incredibly easy to incorporate into a routine. The remote control is simple to use, making adjustments quick and effortless. Whether you're working on tattoos or giving a facial, the bed's versatility makes it adaptable to various beauty treatments. The quiet motor system was also a plus. It didn't disturb the client's experience with any unnecessary noise, which is crucial when working in a relaxed, spa-like environment. When it comes to pros, I really appreciated how ergonomic and versatile this bed is. The ability to adjust the height, backrest, and footrest independently is a huge plus for both comfort and functionality. The removable armrests and headrest pillow made it easy to maneuver and adapt to different procedures. And with a weight capacity of 440 pounds, it's sturdy and robust enough for most clients. On the flip side, one of the drawbacks I noticed is that the assembly can be a bit tricky. While the instructions are clear, the weight of the bed and the need to assemble it correctly can make setup a bit challenging, especially if you're doing it solo. Additionally, the bed does require quite a bit of space, so if you're working in a smaller studio or treatment room, you'll need to ensure you have the room to accommodate it. In terms of value for money, this electric spa bed is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum. However, considering its durable construction, multifunctionality, and long-term usability, I would say that it provides good value, especially for professionals who need a reliable and versatile piece of equipment. The materials used are high quality, and the electric adjustments save a lot of time and effort compared to manual beds. If you're looking at other options on the market, you'll find similar products, but they often lack the versatility or quality of this bed. There are cheaper options, of course, but they tend to be less durable or lack the same high-end features, like the 3-motor system or ergonomic design. If budget is a concern, there are certainly alternatives, but they may not offer the same long-term value. This bed is built to last, and with proper care, you can expect it to be a reliable part of your beauty treatment space for years to come. The materials are easy to maintain, and the motor system is designed for years of consistent use. Just be mindful of the instructions regarding weight distribution, particularly not sitting on the backrest or footrest, to ensure the bed remains in optimal working condition. As for customer support, while I didn't personally interact with the brand's service team, the reputation of the company suggests they are responsive and helpful in resolving any issues or concerns. Based on their detailed product description and commitment to a satisfying customer experience, I'd say that the support should be reliable if you need it. In conclusion, if you're a beauty professional looking for a high-quality, versatile, and comfortable electric spa bed, this model is definitely worth considering. It's particularly ideal for those in the tattoo, microblading, or eyelash extension fields, but its flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of treatments. The price is on the higher side, but the quality and features justify it, especially if you're in need of a long-lasting ergonomic solution for your clients. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.